Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your 1010 app not working properly. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. All right, there's a few ways to do this, so I'm going to go through the first way. So click on your 1010 app, click and hold, and then click on the little I button here. It'll take you into the app info. Scroll down, click on the storage, click on clear cache, and also clear data. But be mindful, all of the application's data will be deleted permanently. This includes all file settings, accounts, databases, etc. So if you do delete it, that will happen. So you can do that and then go back and then re-log into the 1010 app. If that doesn't work, you can simply delete the 1010 app and then go to your Player App Store and re-download it and then log in. And another way to fix the 1010 app not working properly is to just simply restart your phone, and that sometimes fixes problems as well. So yeah, if any one of these methods helped you guys, just leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.